everyone, this is Patty, Export Manager of FoShanXingmingda. Today I want to show you our company. We have 3 workshops. This is the first workshop of our company. You can see our company logo here. From beginning, you can see our company logo. After enter the gate, you can find all the machines on the wall. All machine pictures on the wall. And here we passed the ISO 9001 quality certificate. And another sample machine picture here. And the next one is fish pool and coffee bar. Office here. And the first workshop. This workshop is for lamination machine, pure lamination. The finished machine packed well. This is ready for shipment. The workers. Here is their office. And the next one is our sales department office.